Z's device needs repair. Before requesting a repair, let's check the device entitlement. If Z wishes to view the entitlement of a device, he can do a quick check of the entitlement in the repair order portal by entering the serial number. He can see the job type as well as warranty or contract expiry dates. For full view of asset details, Z can navigate to the Assets tab. Here, Z can see a full list of assets under his account. He can search for a specific serial number or select one listed on the screen. In this view, all asset information is available. Z can check whether the device is under warranty or contract, as well as the start and expiry date of the entitlements. Knowing the entitlement of his device, Z can now confidently proceed to create the repair. Thanks to Zebra's Repair Order Portal, Z can keep track of the entitlement of his devices. Manage your own repairs comfortably at your own time. Visit repair.zebra.com today.